production, for example. You want to make sure that they're using the right version of Ruby.
So does the Ruby VM read that file, or something that loads your code?
Or
is it functional, or is it just?
It is functional.
Okay.
RVM, chruby, and RBENV all read that file when they're running something. So if that file is there, they will reference that first. And then they'll reference your global if that file doesn't exist. If you're using RBENV, you can also just type in RBENV local and your version number, and that will create the file for you. Okay. That's RVM. It's kind of weird. I know. This whole thing is weird. I'm sorry. Anyone have any questions about like why you should have RVM or benefits of it? Anyone looking confused?
I think you may have just asked this, but I just want to clarify. So that, when does it get, like how does this version get switched?
So depending on which, if you're using RBENV, RBENV will, it does some weird things with your system where it, I forget the exact term, but when you run Ruby, it actually runs RBENV, and then RBENV selects which version of Ruby you should actually be running it through.
Based on the gem that you're trying to...
Yes, based upon either your global setting or the Ruby version file in your project directory. So I started using RBENV for two reasons. One, testing, because since I manage some Crumbs extensions, I want to actually make sure it does work on different versions. And two, it just makes my life easier.